Hey Justine, hope you're doing well. Alright, so I decided to make this video just to kind of really quickly just to show you how to start adding content onto the website. All of the pages are already laid out. As you can see here on the top, we have like about, impact, all of those pages that you had requested. On the top, we have contact a volunteer. We have the give back buttons. I aligned the other buttons better. Um, I need the logos for your sponsors. That way I can add those for you, and I can, make that slideshow that we talked about, like the self-scrolling. And then also eventually whatever images you guys want for the slideshow here, just go ahead and send them to me as well, so I can go ahead and resize. I'm still kind of playing around with the icons. I'm trying to see if I can find some that I actually like. Like, I kind of like the idea of these, but I don't know, maybe something with a little bit more color instead of just being gray. Alright, so let's get started. So to log into the website, you just go to it's new.communitycenter.org.tw/wp-admin. So once you go in there, you just put in your username and password that I had already sent you. And then basically if you want to add new users, like if you have other people that want to go in and start adding content as well, you can go to users, add new, and then you just put in whatever username you want them to be. It's normal, like for you I just did the first name and the first letter of the last name, but the username can be whatever, and then you need an email, first name, last name, then create a password, and then just you would add them as a administrator for anybody that will be able to change some of the main parts of the site, like change the logo, change the color scheme, that kind of stuff. Editor will be someone that would be able to go into different pages, just on the pages and posts, to go in and tweak everybody's posts and pages. An author, all they can do is add new posts or pages, but they can't edit the existing ones. So those are the main three ones that you're probably going to be using. So once you just click add new user, and then from here to start adding content, you just go to pages, all pages. So let's say that you wanted to start putting in information for the impact page. All you have to do is go into pages, all pages, and then you just scroll down, find the impact page, and click quick edit. So if we go to your existing site, and let's say this is the information that you wanted, you would just copy it here, and you would go into here, and here you have visual and text. Click on text and then paste it, and then go to visual, and this is where you would actually fix it. So if you wanted this to be bold, if you wanted the space in between that, if you wanted these to be bulleted, you would go like right here, select it, and hit the bullet points. Another space, for example, and let's say that you wanted the phone number in italic or bold. That's pretty much just like Microsoft Word, really. Here, most of the time for template, select full width. We're going to use that option for most of the pages, so make sure that that is selected. And then you would just click update, and then if we go back to the live site, we would just refresh, and you'll see all of the information there. So this is basically how you would add content. Also, another thing that you want to do is remove this leave comment section. So for that, you're going to go to screen options and discussion. Let's see here. And yeah, so you're going to go screen options, click on discussion, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to uncheck allow comments and allow trackbacks, and then hit update. And you're probably going to have to do that for all the pages, so you can do that whenever you're adding content, and then just refresh, and you'll see that that leave comment section got removed. So that's how you can start adding information slowly. You or whomever else is going to be helping you out. And then for the blog posts, so if we go to the home page, the blog posts, you can go ahead and start adding blog posts as well. So anything news related, you want to go to posts and all posts. You'll see that you have just a dummy post. You can trash it or add a new one. So let's say that this is post A. You would actually obviously start putting in actual posts. So if I were you, I would just go ahead and start putting in some of the new stuff that you guys are going to be working on, or anything new that you want to advertise. Because the website, now that we have it installed here, it really is not going to take very long to get it up and running. It's really just a matter of finishing, the little design touches, like I have to fix these arrows, I have to add the images, I have to add the sponsorships, just make sure that everything is aligned properly. And then from there, it's just making sure that we have the content added. And then when it comes to making the site live and removing the new dot, I think that's probably going to take maybe like 5 hours. And then that's it. We'll just basically have it up and running. So posts, go ahead. If I were you, I'll go ahead and start adding like actual blog posts that are coming out within the next week or so. So here you can see it looks just like the pages section. You would put in the title under screen options. If you don't want to allow comments, you would go to discussion again and then scroll down and uncheck these. With blog posts, normally you want to allow comments at least. It's really up to you if you guys don't want to allow that. Like, I don't allow comments on my blog either, so it's really up to you guys. And then so you would just obviously go to text, paste whatever text. If you want images, you just go to visual, click on add image. You can upload the image there, but let's say you wanted to upload this one, you just select it and click insert, and the image is right there. And then to have the image display on the home page here, you would just go to featured image on the bottom right, and let's say we wanted this one. We would select it, and then we're gonna create a category. So let's say that this is news. So we're gonna create that category. So you can create different ones like news, upcoming events, anything that you want. Normally there's like 10 or 5 categories depending on what the website's gonna be doing. So we'll go ahead and publish it, and then you go to the site and you have to refresh every single time so that you see the changes, and then you scroll down and you'll see the new post right there. And then you just click on either the picture or the title, and it'll take you to the actual page. So that's how you'll start adding that. And then for upcoming events, the section which is empty, you just and that's also, I'm sorry about the post, that's also going to populate the blog page. So if you go to blog, you'll see that the posts are also going to be there. And we can separate what displays here and up here using the tags or the categories. So if you want to create a tag just for the home page and create a different tag just for the blog page, you can do that. And then basically we can separate 2 different contents for each one, but it's up to you. So for the upcoming events, pretty similar to, you just go to events here, and then you can just click on add event, type in the title of the event. Here it asks you for the date, the time, the location, and then you can write in it kind of details, add images, and then you would just publish it and it will start showing up here. And then that's about it. I think if you guys just want to just go into all of the pages. Pages are probably the most important thing right now, adding all of the pages, or the pages are already added. I added them for you, but like adding all the information. We obviously still are missing some stuff with the other company that we're going to be working with, and getting that what is it, the donate and all that stuff created. So don't worry about those pages in particular right now. I'm still waiting for that person to email me back with I sent them an email with a couple of questions of how we're gonna get started. And then basically when it comes to pages that actually have text, go ahead and start adding any kind of copy that you have. And from there, like I said, once we get the little details like the images and stuff, getting the website up and running will probably be pretty quick. Alright, well, thank you so much. Bye.